Hey everybody, this is a simple tutorial on how to add a product to your WooCommerce WordPress website. After you log in into the back end, you can hover over New and go to Product, or you can go to the left side to Product and hit Add New. Either way will work. Now you're going to give your product a title. I have some pre-written stuff. I like to pre-write my things in a notepad beforehand. I'm going to paste it into my title, and then I'm going to paste my long description in. Don't forget to give your product a H2 tag for the paragraph. Then you're going to come over and add it to a category. If you don't have one, click Add New Category and give it a title. From here, I'm going to copy the title so I can add it to my product alt code. And I'm going to drag all my products over here, but I'm only going to choose one for my featured product, and make sure you give it an alt text. And then click Set Product Image. From here, if you want, you can add a photo gallery by clicking Add Product Galleries. And you can add as many as you want to this. Again, make sure you give it an alt text. After this, I'm going to grab my short description that goes on the side of my product and post it here in the short description area. You can format it any way you want. I'm just going to give it some bullet points. Once you're done here, scroll up to the general and give it a price. For this demonstration, I'm not going to put a sale price in, but you can if you want. Then click Inventory and give it a SKU. You can use the product manufacturer code or write your own SKU. And don't forget to give it a shipping weight, because without a shipping weight, the product won't work on the front end. I'm going to give this 5 pounds. And then also I'm going to add an attribute. Here you could put things like size, color, also manufacturer. And once you add it, don't forget to click Save Attributes. And everything looks good, so I'm going to click Publish. To view your product, wait till it's done publishing and then click View Product. If you see anything wrong at this point, you can always go to the top of the page and click Edit Product. Make any changes that you want, and then click Update.